check 1 3. Alright, so Salt River. Yo, Salt River is a vibe. I went to Salt River the other day well, a good while now because this vlog is from way back. Went to Salt River and we tested out the GoPro. I don't even know which number it is, but it was really cool, yo. The underwater shots, I really love them. I really want to take some time out to do some more travel videos with actual action footages. So yeah, look out for more GoPro stuff. It was fun, yo. Trust me. It was a bit hard to swim under the water with the GoPro because it was in a case thing and you had to hold angle and it kind of awkward for swim with one hand and use it. But yo, enjoy ourselves, you see me. I was there with Dane Visuals and King 1876. 2-bar charge. I tell you, it was a vibe. It's me swinging off. Damn. Yo, that was a vibe, yo. I really enjoyed swimming off it. But let me get down to business. Alright, so basically, for one, I love the scenery, I love the little mangrove vibe, and the fact that the water is so clean and nice. I love that, it was so transparent, and I fucks with that heavy, easy me. I like when I can see the bottom of the water, wipe on the bottom, but yeah, it's a full vibe. Some of just feel like Jamaica, one of them hidden beauty, they're not even Salt River, just Jamaica in general is one of them gems where just nice, yo. Regardless of all of the bullshit we live in a very wonderful country. And more than anything else, I feel like tourists enjoy our country more than us. So yeah, I feel we should take some more time out for travel locally and enjoy the stuff for a while and for half ways, me. Trust me, Jamaica is beautiful, and I'm gonna keep doing videos like these because it really give me a vibe, for go out and see new places, especially when they're in my own country. So I know say yo, you can support another person or the something. If I live in, you get me? But yeah, guys, just take the time and let's try to enjoy life as much as I can. It's really easy to get caught up in the whole thing about being successful, isn't it? People measure success in a weird ways, I'm always compare themselves to other people, and then them it's how happy is that person? I for one can say, oh, I'm miserable, I'm so miserable. A lot of people consider me to be successful, but I think I'm just this creative dude that's so miserable because I keep on do stuff that it's not even doing stuff I don't want to do, but it's more I do more stuff for others than I do for myself. Easy me, so it kinda make me feel off at times, but you don't know. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. So that is when I left this with just know some more while you might not be in the situation where you want to be now. You might not enjoy life to the fullest right now, but trust me, you have to just keep pushing on because one day I hear a day, and nobody can stop that, only you can stop that. Just keep doing what you do and just try to enjoy it as much as you can. Smile more, talk to your friend them more, spend time with your family more. Enjoy life and help who you can help, and just do it your way, is it me?